Hello everybody. Today we're going to be unboxing another rare collector's item. As you watched previously in my Game & Watch Super Mario for the 35th anniversary back in March, well, Nintendo came out with another one for like the holidays. It came out with The Legend of Zelda, which will be turning 35 to 36 years old. And today on this channel I will be unboxing this Game & Watch and comparing it to the Super Mario one that I unboxed in the previous video. Alright, let's begin. Alright, I already got the seal off camera. It was pretty hard, so this just came today in the mail, and I'm very, very excited. Okay, so let's take the seal off once again. It might take a second. Alright. Alright. Okay, well, I got that off. Alright, we're gonna start looking at the back. See, look at the back. It's quite similar to this one. If they come out with a Kirby one, I'm definitely getting that. Alright, so let's start by opening this box. Alright, let's start by opening this box and see what this little thing can do. You know? Alright. It's my arm. Oh, man. Anything else? Oh, get out of there. Oh my god, who remembers my Nintendo from back then? Looks like they came back with this. I'll leave it here for a little bit to read. I'll be using that. Oh, where did it just fall? Alright. What just fell is instructions. Alright, let's see. Let's look at the instructions. Got them real nice. Game & Watch, Legend of Zelda, user guide. Obviously gotta plug it in. Alright. This is supposed to be the little case for the Game & Watch. Ooh, guys, look, it's a little stand. That is so cute. Alright guys, let's take a look at this little stand we got here, man. Alright, so we get this little instructions, how to set it up. And I just figured, okay, so here's the back. I just figured, look everybody. There is the cord. I was looking for this, guys. Thankfully we have it. Well, I could have used my Mario one, but if you didn't have the Mario one, that would have been a problem. Okay, so let's close this. Let's set up the stand. Everybody, looks like I got the stand working. Alright, we're gonna test this out. I put in the Game Watch in there. Once I take the plastic off of it, we're going to just pretend that's standing. Alright, let's relax this little thing. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, let's go. Alright, we're gonna put this in the little stand. Look at that, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Let's take a look at it physically. We're gonna compare. Alright guys, we're gonna compare the Super Mario Game & Watch, and then here's the Legend of Zelda Game & Watch. We're gonna compare both. Alright, let's power this one on, and we're gonna see the difference. Is it gonna have a clock? Beginning? What's this one gonna have? Let's try. Alright, let's power this thing on. Ooh, did you guys hear that sound? Press the time button. The time. Let's look at the time. Let me look at my computer real quick. It is 2:19. So we're going to input that time. If I can find where to put it. Alright guys, I finally found out how to set the time with a little instruction manual didn't even tell me. Alright, so we're gonna look at the current time again. It is currently 2:23 where I live. So we're gonna go to, then 23. Alright. So left. Perfect. 2:23. And look, Link's just having away. Now we're going to compare the clear little plastic things that came on the box. So this is the new one. It has the new game, the 1986 game with the little brass. It has Link, Master Sword, and little enemies. This is what this one has. And in comparison to this one that has the original game, 1985, Goombas, Question Block, Mario. This one has Bowser on the back. Well, this one has none. Nothing. Can you believe that? Nothing on the back here. Alright guys, now we're going to see what games are on here, and we're going to explore what this thing can do. Let's begin. So we got the games. Obviously you want it in English, right? And then Legend of Zelda is first. Then it's The Adventures of Link. Next, it will be The Legend of Zelda: Link's Awakening. Then it's the Ball from 1980. Then it's Timer. Again, Game & Watch only has one game per system. So you have to buy multiples of these. So just pretend it's 1980, man. So we can go here. I'm not gonna do this on camera. I'm going to do something, maybe I'll do a little stream of me playing one of these games. I'm not sure yet. Leave a comment if you want me to do that. But for now, we are going to see this Vermin for the Game Watch. So we're gonna do Game A, 1980 Nintendo. So we're gonna press A. Alright. Obviously I'm not gonna be a good first time, but okay, I get it. This is fun, yeah. Let's see what the highest score I can get. Alright, we're gonna pause this. Here's the sound, brightness, reset game. So we're gonna go back to time. That's the main screen. So then we're gonna go back to games, and we're going to go to timer. You could set a timer for whatever time you like. You can set for, here's a 3-minute timer. I think it looks pretty neat, the timer, since this one does not have a timer. So we're gonna stop this timer for right now. We're going to go back. Reset timer. Yes, I do. We're gonna go back to time. And, well, 2:28. Did you just see that change? That was amazing. Well, I think this wraps it up for this unboxing, guys. Leave a comment and like down below if you like Legend of Zelda. Comment your favorite Legend of Zelda game. My favorite Legend of Zelda game is Hyrule Age of Calamity, and as always, Breath of the Wild. If you don't follow my Instagram, I'll link that down in the description. I was Zelda from Breath of the Wild. She's my most favorite character. And I will leave a picture of me in Zelda in the video if you guys want to see that. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys all watching this. Leave a like down below if you want to see more rare unboxings. If Nintendo comes out with like a Pokemon Game & Watch or a Kirby Game & Watch, I would love to see all those. Oh my god, look in the back. I just realized this lights up. That was a reflection from the thing I'm using. This looks awesome. Thank you so much for watching. More content coming soon. Next week will be my holiday special. I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much. Signing off.
Baby, why